Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel. Uh, as we started discuss about this market, right? So, yesterday we discuss about this market that how that market can be had, and today we can see this what happened in this and how much our review or view of this market is going so correct, right? So, looking at this today market, we can see clearly one thing that market is not able to hold its bullish pattern, right? Market is not able to hold its bullish pattern because whenever it's try to sustain above 34,600, the sellers becomes so strong that they bring the market down at the 34,300, 200, sometimes about 34,150. So today market open on the bullish pattern and we can see the first candle. I always say that if you want to visualize the market pattern for the day, look at the first candle of the day. As yesterday, I said that this candle was indicating that the market is going to be the sideways market. Yesterday, what we discussed that the market is going to be the sideways market, and it happened. The market work within this candle only. Today, what happened? Market start with the strong bullish candle, and after that, many people thought that it will go, it will be become bullish, right? It will going beyond this, maybe the 34, 35,000. It will cross 35,000. But I draw this line. That time, I draw this line. I draw this line, and I was expecting that the market will not hold above this line. Will not hold above this line. Why? Because the international market was the completely negative market. USA market was about approx 3% low. So approx 1 hour market stay between this level above 34,500 and below 34,600 level. After that one candle that is around 11 o'clock, it's given breakout here. Given breakout here, like, right? But see, whenever you look for this trading, I always recommend that please go to this so-called the return to re- risk reward ratio, right? So if you will enter the market here, suppose that you will enter in the market here, and next you have next resistant level after 100 point, exactly after 100 point. So what will be the risk reward? Triple R, nothing. It will be the 30, 40 point, which will be very dangerous. Why it will be very dangerous? Because in the upside you have the nearest resistant, and that is very very good resistant level, right? But in the below side, the market can come to this level. So in the below side there are the 500 point, in the upper side only 100 point. So the rational trader, the experienced trader, will not enter at this level. The trader will wait for the market to give the negative indicator, selling indicator, right? But market given also selling indicator here. The- but so many people, professional trader, will not enter here, right? Why? Because the most of the bank indexes, right, was bullish today more than 1%. So that will take time. that will take time to become the bearish. It's not that most of the banks, leading bank like HDFC, ISI, SBI, we are bullish and it will come in the second candle, it will come to this level. No, it is not possible. So this is happened, right? After that, approx 12 o'clock, market given this bearish signal. So after this candle, it was sure that market is going to be the bearish again, because it's close below this support level, and we can see that the sharp sell. I was expecting here, which I have draw, right. I was expecting here because this was the resistant, sorry, support point for the market. I was expecting here to stay for more time, right? So that's why I draw that line. That time I draw this line, the market will stay here for few time, but this candle successfully completed its journey below this support level, and after that we can see this, the three candle continuous bearish pattern continued. And here I was expecting that market will stay here. Why it is so? Because this is the, yesterday I also said, right, that this is the psychological point 34,500. 34,500 means the people will think to make decision, right? Once it broken, it can continue with the sharp selling. If stay here, we can see the upside too, right? So the market respected this psychological level and it went down. You can see this, again market came here and took in support approx here, you can see, and went for the, but it was again, it was for this short period of time, because bull was not in a strong position in the market today, right? So again, actually I was expecting that after staying this, market may fall and will come this, and after that, this is a strong support zone, then it will be maybe few points, because not ready to go beyond the 34,000 level, so it will end it up here only, right? But the market did bit different, which I thought, then, right? So market went and then come down, and it's almost, i was expecting here I was expecting here to be closed, because we can see this, the most of the day completed here only. If you'll see this, the most of the day we have this support level. But market, that's why it is called market, nobody can predict, but we can higher percentage of times had, we can generalize this, predict this market, and with the logic, if you are very good, if you have very experience, if you have knowledge of basic uh, projections, we can understand this pattern of the market. So this is how today bank nifty performed today. This is how. So what will be the tomorrow market? Tomorrow is expiry, and for the optional trader, for the indexes, it's one of the day where the untrained traders or the new traders loses money, and the experienced trader, the expert traders gain the money, right? Yesterday we were discussing this small zone, right? A small zone, and the market is still in this, right? So what can happen tomorrow, right? Looking at this pattern, right? If this market open above this candle, we have this support, we have this support. It will, after this approx 200 point, it may come down, and after this it can be sideways. The first view. The second view, that as market is not able to hold this bullish levels, it is possible that market will open the sideways and go for the bear in the market, right? So two view, we'll look at the international market. So please try to understand this pattern, uh, and the risk reward ratio. It will only help you in the market, because otherwise it will be very difficult if you don't generalize this market. If you don't understand this market, it's really difficult. You will enter and exit again and again. You don't have, if you don't have hypothesis about the market, how it can, how much it can grow. Suppose that it open approx 1%, 1.5% up. So is it possible for today that the market will run for another 1%? No. Why not? Because of course it is possible, but the chances were very low, because the international markets were working in the bearish pattern, and it was really difficult to the market to go for the more than 2%. So what happened after this level? Market started, after this level market has become bearish, and we can see this. So if you look at this level, right, the market only in this zone, right, sorry, the market is behaving in this zone and in this zone, right? And if it is broken, we may see the continue bearish market for the week ahead. But it is high possibility that market may hold it, because it's not easy, right? I mean to say, so look at the international market. International market. So we'll see the international market here. I'm sorry. Again, we have this. The European market is slightly, you can say, this sideways or the bullish. It's sideways market, and of course Indian market is a mixed, but it will be calling a bullish market, right? So I think the market will be bearish, or maybe the sideways for tomorrow. But remember that it will be difficult to be bullish for the market tomorrow, right? So plan your trade on the basis of this sideways market or the bearish market. Thank you so much, and please keep subscribing my channel, right? Thank you so much.